Okay, so as you can probably see all these little pockets of air, so what I do is I hold the film and I press on the hard card and I push up. And the first thing I do is just run back and forth on the film, not worried about where the water's going, but just getting the main bubbles out, overlapping as I go down. Okay, that got out probably 98% of all those little bubbles. What I'll do is wipe the excess off. Okay, and I've always marked this window film so I know which window with the China marker, you know, or a fabric marker. And then I can just wipe that off and it's completely gone. So I'll spray it again. Not as much this time, just a light spray. And I'll use the bigger hard card where I can get a little more pressure. I always do the center first. And then you push to the edges. Again, I don't know if you see it or not, but I'm angling the card as I'm pushing to push the water and the air in an angle out. Okay. Wipe the edge. Now, believe it or not, there's still water trapped between the film and the window itself. And it takes about 21 days or so, depending on the temperature outside, the temperature of the glass, and the humidity, for it to completely dry and adhere to the glass. But that's basically your installation process. Now, a lot of times what I'll do is come back and just squeeze you one last time, just to clean it up. So you put just a little bit of water on there. So very simple. And that's it. So now we'll go back, we'll install the trim piece on here and put the blinds back up and we'll be complete.